Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Be inspired. By using this channel, I am creating some educational videos based on the subject maths. Along with the maths, I am creating even some. I am giving some puzzles, and along with that, you people can go for puzzles, and along with that, you people can check out my videos that fast calculation mathematics tips, which we can be doing maths very easily. People who feel difficult, you can follow this. So please share, like, comment in my channel. Please share, like, subscribe my channel. Hi kids, welcome to maths class. So in the previous class we learned some word problems. Along with the word problems, now today we are going to solve some more word problems which we can solve it easily. So to solve the word problems without getting late, let's get started the video. Okay, now we will start. So what is this question he's asking here? Medicine is packed in boxes. Each weight 4 kgs 500 grams. How many such boxes can be loaded in a van which cannot carry beyond 800 kgs? See here, weight of one box is 4 kgs 500 grams. But the van can weigh only 800 kgs. So how many boxes I can keep like this? Okay, so what I should do? Yes, of course, division only. Very good. So we'll start. So what is the weight of one box? 4 kgs 500 grams. So we'll convert this into grams. That will be easy for us to write. So 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. Then 4 kgs will be 4 into 1000, that is 4000 grams. And already in my question we have 500 grams. So if you add, you'll get 4500 grams. So what is the weight of one box? 4500 grams. What is the total weight of the van? What is the total weight van can carry? That is 800 kgs. Means how many grams? 800 into 1000. That is 8 lakhs grams. Okay. Now we will write. Now number of boxes van can carry is equal to 8 lakh grams divided by 4500 grams. 4500 divided by 8 lakhs. So we will go for 4500 ones are 4500, because 4500 twos are 9000, so that is the reason we'll go with it. 0 minus 0 0, 0 minus 0 0, and for here we'll give borrow, it will become 10 and it will become 7. 10 minus 5 5, 7 minus 4 3, and go for the next digit. Now we will write table here. 4500 into 1 is equal to 4500. 4500 into 2 is equal to 9000. 4500 into 3 is equal to 13500. 13500. 4500 into 4 is equal to 18000. 18,000. 4500 into 5 is equal to 5 zeros are 0, 5 zeros are 0, 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are 20 plus 22. 4500 into 6, 6 zeros are 0, 6 zeros are 0, 6 5s are 30, 6 4s are 24 plus 3 27. 4500 into 7, 7 zeros are 0, 7 zeros are 0, 7 5s are 35, 7 4s are 28 plus 3 31. Okay. So 4500 into 8, 8 zeros are 0, 8 zeros are 0, 8 5s are 40, 8 4s are 36, 40. 4500 into 9, 9 zeros are 0, 9 zeros are 0, 9 5s are 45, 9 4s are 36 plus 4, 40. 9 5s are 45, 9 4s are 36 plus 4, 40. 4500 into 10 is equal to 45,000. So now in my 4500 table, when I'll get 4500 7z, because 8z is more, so that is the reason we'll go with 31,500. Zero minus 0 0, 0 minus 0 0, and borrow 10, it will become 4. 10 minus 5 5, 4 minus 1 3, 3 minus 3 0, and we have one more 0. Again we got 35,000. Again 7 times. 0 0, 10 minus 5 5, 4 minus 1 3, 3,500. So how many boxes the van can carry? 177 boxes. So the van can carry overall 177 boxes approximately. Okay. Now move on to the next question, please. The distance between the school and the house of a student's house is 1 kilometer 875 meters. Every day she walks both ways. Find the total distance covered by her in 6 days. See, simple thing, between the school to house is 1 kilometer 875 meters. Every day she is walking, means from school to house she is going 1 kilometer 875 meters. From house to school she is coming 1 kilometer 875 meters. So like that, how many days she has to walk? 6 days. So how much distance she walked? So first we will find how much distance she is walking for one day, and then we will find how much distance she is walking for 6 days. Distance between school and house is equal to 1 kilometer 875 meters. Distance covered by her in 2 times is equal to 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are 14 plus carry 1 15, 2 8s are 16 plus carry 1 17, 2 1s are 2 plus carry 1 3. So how many kilometers she is walking for one day? 2 times in one day, 3 kilometers and 50 meters. Now distance covered in 6 days is equal to 3 kilometers 750 meters multiplied by 6. 6 zeros are 0, 6 5s are 30, 6 7s are 42 plus carry 345, 6 3s are 18 plus carry 4, 22. So how many kilometers she is going to walk every day? 20. For all the 6 days, 22 kilometers, 500 meters she is going to walk. Okay, now the last question of this exercise. A vessel had 4 liters 500 ml of curd. In how many glasses each of 25 ml capacity can it fill? So one glass capacity is 25 milliliters and the vessel has 4 liters 500 milliliters. So how many vessels can it fill? So without getting late, we'll start this. What we'll do here first actually? Yes, of course, division. So first we will convert this liters and milliliters into, yes, milliliters, because the answer we are going to divide with milliliters, so that is the reason we are going to convert into milliliters. And 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. So as we all know that 4 liters is 4 into 1000, that is 4000, and we already have in the question 500, that is the reason it is 4500 milliliters. So it will fill is equal to 4500 divided by 25. Now we will see how many glasses it will fill. 45 divided by 4500 divided by 25. As we all know that 25 2s are 50, so we will go for 25 1s are 25. 5 minus 5 0, 4 minus 2 2, 200. 25 8s are 200. And 0, 25 zeros are 0. So how many glasses it can fill? 180 glasses it will fill, with if each glass contains 25 milliliters of capacity. Okay, I hope you all understand today's class. Stay home, stay healthy. Thank you for listening.